Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today what we will be cooking is this delicious moong dal khichdi. And this can be had around, you can have this for lunch, you can have this for dinner. And this is one of the best recipes. This is cooked home style. It's cooked with very few ingredients, and it is going to be very tasty. So do watch this video and try this recipe out. This will really not disappoint you. So I'll show you step by step how to make this simple and delicious dal khichdi. So stay tuned. So in order to make dal khichdi, the first thing we would need is I've taken 1 cup of rice. This is basmati rice, and you can try it if you have some other variety of rice. You could even try out that, but for this particular recipe I'm using basmati. Next I'm taking 1 cup of moong dal. So I'm using moong dal, and this is a moong dal khichdi, and this proportion, this will serve 4 people. So in case you want to make it for 2 people, you can use half cup rice, half cup dal. So now what I'm going to do is just mix this up and wash it nicely. I'll just wash it around 3 times so that it can clear off any excess starch in the rice, or any dirt or any chemical that will be cleared. So I'll just wash it 3 times and I'll be back. So I've washed the rice and I have just kept a pressure cooker. We'll be cooking this in the pressure cooker. I have kept the pressure cooker, it's hot, and I'll just add around 1 teaspoon of oil. Since this is a very small spoon, I've just put 2, but it is around 1 teaspoon of oil. I have used sunflower oil in this. Since it has a very neutral taste, so I've just used it. So the oil has become hot. Now to this I will just add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, jeera. So the next is I have 2 long green chilies. So I'll just be breaking them and putting them in. So these green chilies are a little less spicy as compared to the other chilies. As compared to the smaller chilies, these are less spicy. Next is I have 3 bay leaves with me, tej patta. I will just be breaking them and just putting it in. And finally I have got around 3 big cloves of garlic. I've just cut them into small pieces and I've just added it. So just give them a quick stir. We'll just keep them here for a minute, and then we will throw in the rice and the moong dal. Now we will add in the washed rice and the moong dal. We'll have to just put this in. So I have used this cup to measure the rice and to measure the moong dal, and in the same cup now we'll need to measure the water. We'll put it in so we've taken 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of moong dal, so it's a total of 2 cups. So I will be adding 10 cups of water, this small 10 cups of water. So I've put the water here in the same way there is a little rice. So after the water is added, I'm just adding around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now 1/3 teaspoon of hing, and I'll be adding salt. You can see this teaspoon is a bit small, so I'll be adding around so this teaspoon is around I think half a teaspoon, so I've added around 2 full teaspoons of salt. So we are done with the masalas. Now we just give this a quick stir. It's on high heat, and what we will do now is just put the lid of this cooker. Put the whistle, and now we'll have to wait for the whistle to come. It's on high heat, so we will give one the first whistle. We will once the first whistle is come out, after that we will keep this on a simmer, and then we'll wait for the second whistle, and after the second whistle we just have to switch off the gas. So the first whistle is come out, as you have seen. Now I've reduced the flame to simmer, and now we have to wait for another whistle, and after that we can switch off the gas. So the second whistle is also come off, and I have switched off the gas. Now as you can hear, the cooker is just making a little sound. That is because the pressure is still there inside the cooker. We'll just wait around 5 to 10 minutes, and once the pressure is released, we can then open the cooker. So now is the time to open it. We'll open the cooker. And our khichdi is cooked very well. We will serve this. So here is khichdi. You can have this with pickle, as you see I'm having it with pickle. You can also have this with garlic chutney. It tastes very good, and you can also have this alongside some papad. So now here is another tip. If you want to further elevate this taste of this khichdi, you can just put a small teaspoon of ghee over it, and then this is going to add a very nice taste. So I'll be putting ghee now in just a moment. So I've taken a small teaspoon of pure ghee. I'll just be putting it over the khichdi, and this will really give a very, very nice taste to this. So so here the khichdi is ready. I hope you try it out. This is a very simple home style cooking khichdi, and it really it will taste it's gonna you will enjoy the taste. And that's the recipe. So please like if you like this content, please give a like to the video, and mention in the comments if you have tried this recipe, how it turned out, and also subscribe and share it with your friends. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.